Hi everyone, this is Lisa, Made with Glee, back with another crafty video. In this video, I am participating in the Stitch from Stash challenge being hosted by Moom from MomDas Life Handmade. Moom wanted us to just get into our stash of fabrics and sew something. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I have here a pattern that I made, and this is the fabric I pulled out of my stash. It's very thin. Don't know what type it is. I bought this in New York several years ago in Jamaica, New York, one of these little fabric stores, and I love it. It has cats on it with bow ties, little hearts. I just think this is so cute. So I'm gonna make a top. Here we go. See, it's very thin. I'm gonna make a top out of this particular fabric for myself, and I am using a pattern that I made off of a shirt that I liked the fit of. So basically what I did was I kind of rough sketch, I folded it in half and I did my sketch, gave myself my seam allowance all the way around. So basically here is the front, which I'm going to cut on the fold, and then yes, I do use, what is this called, freezer paper to make my patterns. And then this is the back. I'm going to cut two of it, and I'm going to leave like a little slit and open down to the bottom. So that's the basic idea. I like to visualize stuff sometimes, and especially for making clothing, I like to have patterns that I can follow. So this is the fabric that I'm going to use. I don't even know how much I have, maybe a yard or two, probably a little bit more than, I know I have at least 2 yards of fabric here. So I should definitely be able to get a nice top for myself, and that is what I'm going to do, and you will see what I come up with later after I cut out my pattern and all that good stuff. So see you in a bit.